So today I'm going to be teaching you through, well, I'm not teaching you, getting teachers quite boring. Well, telling you about what is new on Brookhaven. I know it updated like 3 days ago, but we do stuff late on this channel. Am I right, guys? Yes. Hang on. You know, I'd love to know what yes. Nice. What has he done with that? Bro, I'm robbing his car, I'm robbing it. Oh, he locked it. Oh well, never mind. So, there are more ghost butches. Oh my god, just said but then. Car. So, we have all of these cool cars right here. So, like, we have this blue one. Bro, yesterday I got premium for nothing. So, I got this blue one. Yeah, so you can see that I only have 55 maximum speed. So this one is very good for doing donuts and skidding. So also, oh my god, this is going to be everywhere. Okay, so yeah, you can see this skidoo everywhere. I love skidding. Yay! Happy. Oof. I don't know what's going on in that. Is it like prom on or something? But prom's probably on. Rango scare the hell out of everybody. Yeah, it looks like prom's on. Hang on. Let me go change it. You can see all this. Yeah. That's one of the late updates. Like, that's gone on for like 4 months now. Then you have dance, yeah, all that stuff. Sure, whatever. All of that stuff. Mate, let's get back onto the freaking video. You also want me to show some secrets? Then yes, I can. So, yeah, better go off here. I'm going to use my... Actually, no. I'm going to use... Oh, let's see. What car should I use? I'm going to use this one. I don't know. It just looks nice. Looks nice in my opinion. So I'm going to use it. I'm an idiot driver. Bro, I swear to God, this is going way far. Oh my God, I can see underneath the map. Yes. Wait, where's that? Oh, that's a bank. Wait, then where the hell's that? Okay, keep that in mind. I'm going to have a look what's over there. Because there must be something that goes on the ground. Oh, it's that the escape part. Let's go flip my car. Sorry guys, I'm so zoomed out. Look guys, I can drive like this. It feels like you're going like 1,000,000,001 miles per hour. Guys, I think you know what time it's for my secret kind of lair. Question, guys, who watches O1J? Let me tell you guys, I don't. Guys, no, okay. I won't start it. Yes, I know. Okay, well, I think it's time for it. What the hell am I doing? Right, it's time to go. There's something strange. Get out of my car. On my way. Here you go, car. Ghostbusters. Oh my god, why am I skidding? I don't get why I'm skidding. Do you? Like, guys, why am I literally skidding? Bro, purple man. I think that's what you're called. Oh my god, what am I doing? Feels like I'm going a trillion 1 miles per hour. Guys, let me know if this is the speed what you normally get. This is way over. Like, guys, you could see. This is clearly not 55 miles per hour. I know this is 50. So why am I going so freaking fast? Is this like 200? Wait, let's see. Do I have turbo? Bro, imagine guys if I had turbo. No, I sadly don't. Can I just say, last night I was on Brookhaven. Bro, and I literally got premium for nothing. Like, how is that real? I don't care about what's on. So, you can see, like, there's the actual Ghostbuster sirens, like, bruh. Like, all this cool machinery. I'm going to turn my volume. Right, so I'm going to play you a little clip of it. So, yeah, it does that, which is the actual freaking siren. So, yeah, that's, like, insane. Guys, let me know if you know about the school secret. Where you, like, go on the roof. Because not many people actually know about that. So let me know, guys, if you know about it or something. Yeah, you can hear me crossing noises. Get away, bacon. I don't like bacon. No offense, guys. No offense. Yeah. So I don't have premium yet, but I will do in like an hour. So I think it like how pounds added something. Wait, now it actually doesn't. Now, they're like, bruh, he must have added like a secret update, like you got premium for free, and that's just like a glitch. Oh, guys, can I just let you into a little secret? So O1G doesn't even know about this. Do you see all them? You can open them all up, which is pretty cool. So that's a thing what O1G doesn't know about. You can open them up. Bro, get out my house, Mom. Mom, get out my house. No! No, come here! Get off. I'm going to straight up ban you. Oof. I'm not taking your freaking flowers. Bro, is she trying to date me or something? Bro, I'm going to report her. I'll play it, I'm going to report. I report everybody who be mean to me. I can hear that the bank vault has been, shall we say, robbed. Oh no, holy sassy Becca! I am Rebecca! So guys, I better turn my volume down, so yeah. Right, so guys, I'm going to show you how bad it looks without the graphics. Look how bad it looks. Yeah, you can keep that in mind, yeah? And then we go back onto graphics. Yeah, to like 1,000. Wait. Sorry, guys. Wrong thing. So, now we add it. It's like there. Now look at the graphics. It looks way much better. Let's see what else funny things we can do. It's like lighting. So you see that? So it's that line right now. And then we go back onto here. Then you can literally see that it's getting way more brighter. So if you look like, I don't know, like at the corners, you could see, bruh. Swear to God, there's more pillows than that. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it. So let's get back into the cars because I am wasting my time here. This has already been 11 minutes and 13 seconds. Wait, are you actually allowed to like dim them? No, and you're not. So let's get back with the cars, which I absolutely love the Ghostbuster one. It's like super cool. You put it in my 50 miles per hour on. So let's go somewhere where it's a bit more private. Oh my God, what the hell? So let's go. So say, where should we go? Where should we? Let's go all the way up there. So the horn is actually normal if you wanted in there. So now we go through the dark, creepy tunnel. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want role plays. Oh yeah, and also I'll also be doing the Meg Mansion Tycoon, the another house today. If you would like to know. So yeah, if you, I'm not quite sure how to make it, so then you guys can donate money to me. I think I have to have a bit more subscribers, but still whatever. I can probably do it. Oh my God, I am the worst driver in the world. So yeah, I should move on to another car now. And work our way down the list. Do you know what this car reminds me about? Something from Cars, like, it just gives me the vibes. Let me know if you remember that off Cars. Do you know what I can do? I can be very silly. I can dress up like this. What do you rate the avatar, guys? Isn't it good? Give me a hand. No, I'm kidding, baby. Oh, let's go into the creepy farm. Like, bro, why is there a scarecrow right there? Is that normal? I don't think it is. I still don't have premium. Might have been a glitch. Who knows? We'll never know. Now I can apparently have that light on. So we have this car. We can have this nice blue one. I'm not quite sure. This reminds me about a movie, but I can't remember what it is. And then we have this one. Then we have this one. And then we also have this one. And do you know what this reminds me about? The Beatles. Get what I mean? So yeah, that's what that one reminds me about, which is actually, I love the Beatles. And then we have this one, which, this is quite an old one. This has been on Brookhaven for like years. I'm kidding, like a few months. No, actually a bit more longer than a few months, I think. And then we have this one, and then we have something strange. On my way, vehicle, Ghostbusters. And then we have this one, and then we have this one, and then we have this one, and then we have, well actually no, we can't have another one, because the rest are either the virtual ones or the VIP ones, and then there's this premium one up there, which I bet you they must have like more cars in the future. So like, look at all this space there. So they must have planned a few more cars. So my favourite one probably is the Ghostbuster one. It just looks like so cool. So look at me lollies. And then let's go to the lake actually. The lake's not too far away, I don't think. Old chap. Oh no, it's raining. I know, the one time I want to go to the lake, it rains. And then let's go to the boats actually. Well yeah, we need a boat. Wait guys, let me see if we can find like that butterfly one. I don't think it's here. No, it isn't. Who likes the premium cars? Because I kind of do. They just look a bit weird, if you get what I mean. Bruh, wait, I could have a Cybertruck? Bruh, you don't know how much I love Tesla. Do they do the Model X? Let me know guys down in the comments. Because if they do the Model X, then I might as well get the Game Pass. You know I have no money for it. But I'll see what I can do. So what boat should we spend? I think we should do... Let's do this one. I'm going to dress up as a police officer. There we go, I'm all dressed up, but still have my Ghostbuster pack on, which does not matter. I was meant to sit in the seat. Wait guys, you can put sirens. No, you can actually change it actually. So you can change all of them. I've never actually experienced doing all this. So, and then you obviously have those, which honestly, in my opinion, is quite cool. So I'm not quite sure what you could actually do with this. If you like, you could do like cool tricks. I'm not quite sure about all that stuff. What am I doing? Bro, guys, why are you allowed to look at the water? Anyway, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And anyway, bye. Oh yeah, and also make sure you give me a hi-ya in the comments.